Mary was cheated. Hello, and welcome to Speak in English. Today we're going to share a story about Mary, who was cheated by her boyfriend. Let's learn from her experience and improve our English skills together. Mary had been dating her boyfriend, Alex, for 3 years. They were deeply in love, and Mary thought they had a perfect relationship. But one day, Mary discovered a text message on Alex's phone that changed everything. Alex had been cheating on Mary with a girl from work. Mary was devastated. She felt betrayed, hurt, and confused. She didn't know what to do or where to turn. But as she reflected on the relationship, Mary realized that she had ignored some red flags. Alex had been distant and cold towards her, and she had brushed it off as stress or work-related issues. Mary learned a valuable lesson from this experience. She realized that she deserved better and that she should trust her instincts. So, what can we learn from Mary's story? We should always trust our instincts and communicate openly with our partner. Remember, a healthy relationship is built on trust, respect, and communication. Thanks for watching Speak in English. If you have any thoughts on this topic, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language lessons and inspiring stories.